Assalamualaikum students. Welcome to Alpha International School online class. I will take pure math standard wage and this topic will be about logarithm. Now I am going to start it. Okay. Here logarithm we have to know about some basic rules, and the rules is here I write here about log. This is my short form. Logarithm is short form is log. Here log b. Log b is a base. Okay, log b is base. Then there is power is m n. Then we write log base m plus log base n. We have to remember here is multiply. If there is divide from, then it will be bm minus log bn. Okay, here is multiply sign, then it will be positive plus sign we have to use here, and if there is divide then it will be minus. Okay, now one thing I will be make sure here is, you see 2x plus 3. Here you see this is my base and this is my power. This base we will be write divide like this, because this is my base log b and here is my base 2 and the power is mn, and here is multiply but here is positive sign, so we write here 2 x into 2 the power 3. Okay, you can write like this, it will be same, both are same. Here is 2x plus 3, so we can write here. We have to know the base is same. If base is same and there is middle in multiply sign, it will be power plus, and there is be minus. If there is minus 2x minus 3, here the base is 2 and the power is x minus 3, here is minus, so we can write 2x divided to the power 3. Okay, both are same, you can write it same, and these are both similar, all the type are similar. Okay, now I go do some math. Here is exponential, we have to do some exponential equations. So here is to the power x is equal to 32. Make sure we have to find this x, and this x is power. So if any have power, if you make as a base, you have to use log. Without logarithm you cannot make a base with the power. Okay, so I do it here. We can write to the power x is equal to, first thing we have to do, make base same. We have to make it 32 as a base 2. So how we can write here to the power 5. If we write it, because 20 32 are and to the power 5 both are same, here base is equal, then it will be banished and we can write x is equal to 5, and this is too easy math for us. So now I am going to more difficult. Okay, here I erase it. Now I write 4x plus 1 is equal to 0.25. Here is 0.5. So don't panic, take easy. So we have to know about the base. Here the base is 4 and the power is x plus 1, and we have to exponential this x, make a base and as a number. So find the equations. So we can write, we have to change this. There is a decimal, we have to take fraction. So and make sure we have to know about the base 4. Make sure make it base 4 as like. So we can write it 4 x plus 2 x plus 1. This one we can write it as like 1 by 4. We can write use calculator, there is no problem. If we will make it too easy and make both are similar, because we have to know about the base same. Okay, we have to make a base same. Then I will go next step, x plus 1, and but here there is no divide fraction. Okay, there is no divide, but here is divided, 1 divide 4 and a fraction, but there is no fraction. We make it a normal number, so we can write it 4 inverse 1. So we have to make sure here we can write another rule. If there is minus 1, then we can write 1 by 4. If there is a to the power minus 2, then we can write 1 by a square. So both are same and we have to know about it more clearly. Then I can write it 4x plus 1 is equal to that one. So now we see there is base, both are same. Now we can avoid it, we can take, we don't take it, just make power x plus 1 minus 1, and it will be go x is equal to minus 2. So my answer is x is equal to minus 2. This is my answer. Okay, now I move to my next question. What are some basics rules we have to know about more clearly? Now I write a question. 2x plus 3 plus 2 x plus 3 . So this math will be more difficult. First of all, we have to know about the base. There is base 2, but there is no base. There is 1 plus 2. But one thing, there is a positive sign. This will be more difficult. Okay, it will be. Okay, now I write it about it. Right here, we can write it as like. This is my previous rules, as like to the power x positive, we take multiply to the power 3, okay, plus same as we can write here to the power x to the power 3, okay. Here we have a problem, there is positive sign. We cannot make both are base, take a base same and cannot avoid the same base, because there is a positive sign. If you have to remember, there is a plus sign or negative sign. You cannot both divide it to banish the base. You cannot banish the base. Okay, you cannot, because there is a positive sign. So here we have to take to the power x as a y. We take as a y. So then you can see here what will be here, y to the power 3. We can write it as of 8 plus, we can write it same as কোশ্চেনটাই বলতে
তাহলে যেটা বলতেছেন ওখান থেকে আবার শুরু
হ্যাঁ আমি আবার
মোশন পুরোটা
হ্যাঁ পুরো মোশন এই জন্য তো বলছি। Now I will go my next math. It will be to the power 2x plus 3 plus 2 x plus 3 is equal to 1 plus to the power x. This is my equation and we have to make value of x. What is the equation of this? We can take a normal equation. As a normal equation we have to do some value. X have some value. We have to identify what is the value of this logarithm math. So we can take as a, we can see this is my previous math I will do here. I did it. So here we can write to the power 2x. Here is my plus sign. Then we can make it divide as a multiply to the power 3 plus. Here we can write same as to the power x into to the power cube is equal to 1 plus to the power x. Now last previous math, we write it here like this, same, both are similar, because here is my formula. You can know it. So we can write here, and this is to the power 2x. So here we can write to the power 2x is equal to the power x whole square. So both are same. Don't panic, just write it here. To the power x square. We can write it as 8 plus same to the power x into 8 is equal to 1 plus to the power x. So now there is most difficult part if we can do, but we have the idea. We can take as a to the power x as y, and you have an idea. You have guess what we can write it. Y square into 8 means 8y square plus 8y is equal to 1 plus y. You can write, and you have a know that there is square, and we have to do middle term or factorize. Then we can write here xy square plus 8y minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. We can write it. So here is 8y square plus 7y minus 1 is equal to 0. So here will be my middle term. You can buy calculator or use as like. So you know about the middle term, so I don't go there. So I will take as a short. So we can write it 8y minus 1 y plus 1 is equal to 0. So you have no, there is multiply sign. So both are 0. This one will be 0. So we can write it here 8y minus 1 is equal to 0. We can write 8y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1 by 8. But my equation is x, but here is y. We can write my previous math as it in instead of to the power x is equal to 1 by 8. So we can write it as a 8 inverse 1, right? Or we can write normally 1 by 2 cube. Okay, then we can write, you can see to the power x is equal to the power minus 3. Now you can see both base are same, and we can banish and make x is equal to minus 3. But there is my one part, but there is my another part, because there is my square. Okay, if there is a key power of 2, then your answer will be x is equal to 2. So we can write it here. I result it. So my another part is y plus 1 is equal to 0. My another part is y plus 1 is equal to 0. Then y plus 1 is 0. We can y is equal to minus 1. Y as the right to the power x is equal to minus 1. This will be not accepted. Okay. So my answer is only minus 3. So that is my math. I have finished it. So now I am going to my next math. So you can see there is a lot of logarithm math formula, but we don't take any math as a log. So now I am going to tell my new part. So I take a math from my book. Just simple equation. I will solve it here and write in one math, which is my evaluate. Log of evaluate. So here I take my math log 10 35 plus log 10 70 minus log 10 14 divided 2 plus log. Okay, I have to erase it. Here is 2 log base 10 5. you can see here is my base, all are same. The base is log 10, but there have a problem of there is no problem why it is the power. We don't think about, we think just about the base. We can write it. Here is my basis. Okay, one thing is there, you can see these are similar, but there is a 2 which is not similar as like. So we have to do, we know a better things. One thing is that these 2 will be get the power 5 square. Okay, this is my formula. Okay, this is my formula. These 2 will be go 5 square, and we can take, you can see there the one formula is 2b 5 square. You can write it about the 2 is will be base 2 log b 5. I was said that this is my base, this is my power. I said this is my power 2, and this power make a base, it will be come here. Okay, because we use log, so we can write it here log 10 41 35 plus log 10 70 minus log 10 14 divided 2, and this will be go there log 10 5 square. So now what we can write, you can see there is log, both are similar. We can take a common. Okay, you know what is the common means? Common means divided. Okay, we can take log 10 as a common. Here will be, okay, one thing you know, there is a positive, negative, positive, and if we take a common, it will be go multiply. Okay, both will be make multiply. So we can write 41 35 into 70. This is, the here is minus, and if there is minus, it will be divide 41 by 2, and there is positive side, it will be, okay, there is 25. I don't write here, but I will write here is as a 5 square means 25 into 25. So there is my math, and it will be goes easy. So here is 41 35 into 70 has divided. If we take multiply, it will be changes. Change, it will be 2, and here is 41 into 35. So both 35 are vanish. This one is vanish. You can write it. So sorry, there is 20. There is mistake. There is 25, and there is 25. So you can see there is divided sign. We can take it as normal log 10. Here is 41 by 35 multiply 70, and there is divided. We can take multiply, and it will be change into 2 by 41 into 25. So if you can do very easily, you can do it very easily. 35 to 40, then that means there is log 10, 2 to the 4, 425 100. So there is the 100. We can take, you can write here it log 10, and we can write it log 10 square. Here is my 10, we can write 10 square because we have to make base same. Here is there is a formula log a is equal to always 1. It will be always 1 when log a base and the power is a, that will be always 1. We can write it as a 1 into 2. That is my answer is 2. So this is my evaluate math. We can write it too easily as a from. We have to make sure that the base log will be same. Then you can take common. Then we can, as a plus sign, you can multiply, and minus sign you can divide. Both are you can convert in multiply and do some calculations, and you will get your answer as a positive sign. Okay, positive. So this is my finished my math, and now I will move my second math, and it will be more difficult math. So I can write it. So first I erase it. So now I move more difficult math, and it will be your main basic math which will come your exam. So here is 4 x plus half plus 8 to the power x plus 4 plus to the power x. Here we can write it as a 4. Here is 4, there is a positive sign, and there is positive. We make it too easy to convert. Here the base is 2. We make it base 2 both place. So here we can write 2, there is to the power. If you write 4 as a to the power square, 2 square is 4. So we make 2x plus half plus, here you can write to the power cube, and you can write 2x plus 4 plus 2x. Now we can multiply, both sides you can multiply. 2x plus, if you multiply here it will be as a 2 by 2, that we can take 1. Okay, make a 1 plus to the power cube 3, 2x plus 4. Okay, one thing that there is my previous math. Now I make this previous math as like we have do last one. Now we can take individually to the power 2x. Then here is 4 plus sign, and we can make it multiply to the power 1 plus to the power cube is equal to same as we can write to the power x, and there is positive sign, we can, it will be to the power 4 plus to the power x. Now here is my to the power x. Now we can take both are y or something you can do, it will be middle term, but we have a more idea. If you take easy and make something more calculation, your middle term will be more short. Okay, then here we can write it to the power x square into 2 plus 8 is equal to, here is 16, I make it 16 to the power x plus to the power x. So here we can take a common, you can see there is a common to the power x, then we can take to the power x common, in here is 16 plus 1, and make here it to the power x 17. Okay, and there is, you can write to the power 2x square plus 8. Okay, you can write it. Now I have to erase it there, but there is no space, so move here. Where is there is a more same, but this is most difficult we can do, but we can take as a y. So let to the power x is equal to y. Here will be go, so you can write y square, you can see here y square into 2, that means 2y square plus 8, and here will be minus 17y is equal to 0. You can write it because this is my y and is multiply both are 17y. So 17y and take left side, it will be change the form negative, positive to negative. Then we can write, there is my middle term, so we can write it middle term. So here is 2y square minus 17y plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, then we can write, there is to the power 2 or 8 16. You know about the how to do a calculation. To the power y square 16y minus y plus 8 is equal to 0. Then we take a common to the power y minus 8. Here is we common, there is no things, so we can take minus 1. So it will be minus 1, take minus 1 and it will be from y minus 1 minus minus positive and then minus plus is negative 8. You can see both are same. We can take common y minus 8 to y minus 1 is equal to 0. So here is my the similar part which I have last previous two math, and this is the my logarithm basis math. Here you can see there is an individual part, that is y minus 8 into 2y minus 1. Both are different, so we can take individually y is equal to y minus 8 is equal to 0, and we can write 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 because total is the my 0. So here is y is equal to 8 and here is 2y is equal to 1, y is equal to half. But we have taken a part, let 2x is equal to y. So we can write replace the value y is equal to the power x is equal to 8. So here there is base is not different, here is base is different. We can make a base same. So we can write to the power x is equal to the power cube. 2 cube means 8. Then we can write, because we have to know base is 2 and we make a 8 to make a base 2. So x is 3. Because we know we have a formula, base there we can banish and power is there. Here we can do the same as to the power x is equal to half, to the power x is equal to the power inverse 1, x is equal to minus 1. So here is my finished my math. Now I am going to my next math, and this is my last math. So I erase it. So I write another math. This is my simplify log 27 plus log 8 minus log 125 divided log 6 minus log 5. So now we can see here root 27. So we can make something we know. I erase it, and so here you can see root 27. We can write it as a root means half. Root means half. We can here 27 1 by half, and we can take as a cube. 27 we can make 2 cube, that means half. We can write here 3 to the power 2, and you can use calculator, is your choice. So you can make it as make this. So root 27 I write here 3 to the power 2. So I write here 3 to the power 2 plus log. Here we can write log to the power 3 minus, same as we can write log 125. Here I say that root means half. 125 you can write as 5 cube. So we can write root 5 cube, your choice. Now you can see there is 3, 2, 5, but there is only 6. We can write as a log 2 into 3. You know both are same, minus log 5. Now I can write here log 3 to the power 2 plus log to the power cube minus, you can write it log 3 by 2. And there is one formula we have learned. We can write it about individually. Log 2 plus log 3 minus log 5. Now here you can see there is log 2, log 3, log 5, and log 3, log 2, log 5 both are same, but they are having power. So we can take this power, we can write it. We take 3 by 2 as a common, log 3 plus here one thing you can see, there is log 2 and there is log 3. We can write it log 2, log 5, and there is log 3 plus log 2 minus log 5. Now we can banish it. So my answer is 3 by 2, and this is my answer. So you can use logarithm as like this method, it will be your answer. Okay, thank you. This is your logarithm chapter. Now I am finished my lesson. Okay, you know there we have situation in epidemic in COVID-19. We have to stay at home and stay safe and do learn thing better as you know. So you do more hard work about the lessons. It will be get your result. Okay, assalamu alaikum.